guys, and welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we are going to do a little fall cleaning. You heard me. I have fallen behind on all of my chores and all of my household duties within the last few months. There are so many things that need to be deep cleaned. And so I'm gonna do floors. I'm gonna rearrange the master bath. I am going to do my sunroom. There are so many things. We're gonna rearrange some furniture upstairs. We're gonna hang some pictures. We're also gonna do some dusting and baseboards. You guys, it's a lot. However, it must be done. So if you're up to a good fall cleaning, honey, get your coffee, get your tea, and let's get right into it. So you guys, let's start with the floors. The first thing I did in the master bathroom is I deep cleaned the floors. Oh my God, I had to really scrub to get this grout clean. And then after I hot mopped this floor and basically scrub the grout, I went ahead and put a light finishing on top of it, a sealer, just to seal the tile and seal the grout, just so that when we drop things like makeup, hair dye, all types of things that we use, hairsprays, things like that that falls on the floor or past the carpet, it tends to stain the towel. So by using a light sealant or grout sealant and tile sealant, it just helps to keep the floors a little bit better so that you can maintain it and keep it a lot cleaner. Now, the second thing I did, you guys, I cleared off this shelf. Remember the shelf here that I had the towels and everything on? I cleared that shelf off with all of my personal items, my towels, everything. And what I did was I also took all the decorative towels out of the bathroom, and I'm going to go and put those in the washer for a quick little wash. So while I'm doing that, I decided to go ahead and clean this shelf so that once I move it into the loft area, it's actually going to go back into my little loft, my little office area. And so I decided to go ahead and give it a good clean and scrub, because the dust on this baby was, it felt like it was an inch thick. Okay. It's amazing how much dust accumulates in your home. So if you're like me, I decided to get a little dust cleaner out, spray it down, and just go ahead and just scrub that baby down. So that's what you're seeing me do here. And then once I do that, we're going to move this shelf out of the master bath. I thought it was a cute idea when I first put it in there, because there was multiple shelves. I can display multiple things in the bathroom and have my towels, excess of towels and things in there to give it more of a spa-like feel. Not anymore. I'm ready to live the simple life, honey, in this bathroom. It takes too long to clean all these shelves. So I'm going to go ahead and clean it and move it on out of here. So you guys, I decided to switch out the table that was in my hallway, upstairs hallway. I decided to take that table out from against that wall, come leading up from the stairs, and just bring that in here in the bathroom. I thought it was the perfect size to go on this wall and to match this space, so that it's narrow enough so that we can still have a lot of room to access the bathroom. It's not going to take up too much space. It's very narrow and it's very long. Now, if you're like me, dust do occur on all of your accessory items. So I took my nice little woven basket that I put all of my towels and accessories in, And what I like to do, you guys, any of those accessory items, the faux flower pots, you know, the things that you can just easily wipe down, a quick way to do that is to just place them in your shower. I always line these things up and I just cut the shower on and I spray them down. That would get away, you know, it would rinse away all of the light debris, you know, and dust that accumulates on those items. No need to just take a rag and just go item to item, hand by hand, trying to clean those things. The quickest way is to place them in your shower, cut the shower on, and just simply spray them down. And that's what you see me doing here. Quick, easy, fast, and under 5 minutes. And so what I'll do is I'll let them sit, I'll let them dry, and then once they dry, I will get a clean little cloth and I would just simply buff them out or dry them off. Quick little wipe down. 1, 2, 3, easy breezy. So as I stated before, I did switch out all of the decorative towels. These are towels that we do not use, that we only put on display for, you know, the bathroom. So I took all of those out because they did accumulate a little dust as well. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take these towels and I'm going to put them on rinse and spin cycle only. That will keep the dark colors in the fabric and it will allow them not to be faded so quickly. So since you're not using those towels, just rinse and spin. Now, I want to show you these curtains that I've had. I've had these curtains for, I know, over about 15 years. I bought them and I throw them in the closet and honey, I never used them again. These curtains was only about $7.99, you guys. And I remember I got them from Marshalls or TJ Maxx years ago. Well, they served their purpose. Now I'm going to use these as my fall curtains in the bathroom. So I took out the other beige curtains that I had and I put these brown and curtains up. So I thought that these would be a good color for the fall season. And so we're going to go ahead and put those up. And then, you guys, we are going to steam these curtains because they are a little stiff. They're not made out of the, you know, nicer fabrics, if you will, because they are on the less expensive side. So that's what I say. You could always add your expensive things with your less expensive things to get a fantastic or fabulous look. You don't always need to spend a lot of money on all of your items, especially items like bathroom curtains that you may switch out very often. So since I'm switching these out just for the fall only, these curtains came in handy. And I'm so happy that I'm a person that believes in shopping wisely, but also keeping things in my closet until they come to use. And these babies have been in there for at least 15 years. And what a fabulous find in my own closet. You know, my motto, shop your home. Before you run out to any other stores, shop your home and make sure that there are not items that are just sitting, wasting away in your closet. And these babies came to handy, and I think they look fabulous in this bathroom. So you guys, also I have this beautiful steamer, that I got from the home goods store last year. It was one of my hauls that I think I shared with you guys on one of the hauls. This steamer is going to come in handy because it's going to help me to steam these curtains. So I went ahead and took it out. I added some water to it. And remember, with your steamers, you always want to add it halfway. Do not fill it up because it will explode that hot steaming water on you. So just fill it halfway and voila, baby, you can just go to work. So you guys, that's what I'm doing. I am steaming these, baby, and it is doing a fantastic job, I may add, on steaming these curtains. So the curtains are coming alive and I am loving it. You guys, we're going to continue to steam these curtains. And once we do that, that will be a wrap for this part 1 of the fall home cleaning. Now, join me in part 2 where I will be waxing and hot mopping my downstairs floors, the wooden floors. And I will share with you how I like to clean those floors. It is a complete process. So we will be doing that. We also will be tackling the downstairs guest bathroom, along with cleaning some closets, dusting the chandelier, and some other things. So tune in next to that video, you guys. And this is your girl Cindy. I will see you all in the next video. Be sure to check out the outfit of the day, you guys. This is a nice comfy outfit. It is a kimono with a black halter like jumpsuit, and I am rocking that because this is something that I like to wear around the house, or if I'm just gonna run out to run some errands. You guys, I am so in love with these kimonos. I have some in all types, colors, and I just love the feel of them next to my skin, how they flow with your body, how they are so comfortable, how you can just wear them at home, or you can run out into the stores and shop, maybe grocery shop, or, you know, just run little errands. Kimonos are in, you guys, so that if you see your favorite kimonos anywhere, just grab one. I promise you, you will not regret it. So this is your girl Sin signing out. I will see you all in the next video. Ciao.